People are tired of businesses driven by hidden agendas and profits over people and the planet. The real challenge? Heart-centered leadership that truly serves humanity still struggles to outshine those old practices. As a mindset coach and energy healer with over 27 years of experience, I've witnessed that the leaders who impact the most and leave lasting, inspiring legacies are those that lead with love, compassion, and kindness. They recognize that authenticity is the portal to true personal power. Authenticity and true personal power aren't about forcing yourself or others into a mold. It's about shedding the masks, letting go of control, and trusting every part of yourself, unifying mind, body, and spirit.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome personal power and authenticity expert, Grace Mosgeller.
Grace is a sought-after professional keynote speaker and the go-to person for personal transformation and mindset mentorship.
Grace Mosgeller has helped hundreds of leaders break free from self-sabotage, overcome addictive patterns, and boldly lead their businesses and personal relationships to new levels of impact and greatness.
Grace Mosgeller is the creator of the Personal Power Incubator program that's transforming the lives of leaders.
Trusting yourself and leading with compassion feels like letting go of the push and constant battles. It's a feeling where life flows with you, making you magnetic to people, opportunities, and successes that align with your soul's mission. And yeah, your bank accounts fill because you're fully in integrity with who you really are and your true purpose.
Grace Mosgeller is a master healer, definitely the real deal. She'll help you heal the true source of limitation and guide you to win and achieve your goals.
I'm no longer fighting thoughts of doubt and denial. Not only is my business increasing its profitability, the relationship with my husband and my daughter has healed after a difficult time. I actually feel happy.
Worried you'll resist letting go of control or won't let yourself trust? Concerned that compassionate leadership isn't influential enough to make the impact and profits that you want? Are you secretly afraid that people will judge or betray you if you become too real? I get it. I know being vulnerable and letting go of old habits isn't easy, but it's necessary to thrive beyond your current edge. And that's where I come in. I help you make deep subconscious shifts that transform your relationship with love, money, and power so that you fearlessly rise to your highest levels of trust, influence, and impact, ensuring that your legacy is seen and heard. I'm here to elevate belief in yourself and with the divine. With me, transformation isn't just possible, it's a promise. You become the hero of your own story as you step powerfully into a heart and soul centered lifestyle of happiness, integrity, and prosperity, becoming the leading edge of businesses that stand for the greater good of humanity.
Grace Mosgeller is truly a master of mental, emotional, and spiritual transformation. My business was stalled, my family relationships were strained, and I couldn't see my grandson. After working with Grace, everything shifted. I was invited back to family gatherings, and now I see my grandson whenever I want. With this new peace, my business took a new life.
It's time to break free and lead with heart-centered boldness and purpose. True power isn't about pushing through fear. It's about embracing fearlessness and having unshakable confidence to lead with love, trusting that the divine has your back. Without this inner strength, your impact is limited, but with it, you become self-sovereign and strong on the inside and steadfast, warm, and compassionate on the outside.
I love your energy.
I love your wisdom and I love your healing powers. Let me tell you, this is absolutely changing my life.
This is absolutely changing my life.
Changing my life.
I know firsthand that the freedom of being powerful as your authentic self is priceless. My mission is to help as many women as I can embrace the power of their freedom too, in fast, effective, and very Cadillac ways. Our world truly deserves heart-centered leadership to serve humanity.